subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung launched its new 5G phone under F-series in India called Galaxy F34. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F34 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended via RAM Plus technology, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F34 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, based on One UI 5.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.7 by 77.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F34 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in electric black and mystic green color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from August 11th. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F34 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.